everyone, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and flavorful mutton dry recipe that's perfect as side dish or starter. First heat some oil in a pan. Now add finely chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are nicely caramelized, add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft. Add the cleaned mutton pieces and mix them thoroughly with the masala. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Saute well until the mutton coats the masala well. Now add 2 teaspoon chili powder and mix well. Add half glass of water, mix well and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take another pan and heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To it add ginger garlic paste and some fennel seeds. Now add the cooked mutton mixture. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon mutton masala for extra flavor. Close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Our spicy and flavorful mutton dry is now ready to serve. Serve it hot with roti, naan or enjoy it as a side dish.